Corvo Island is one of the 9 Azorean islands and is located in the North Atlantic Ocean, about 970 kilometers west of the Portuguese mainland. It is the smallest and least populated island in the Azores, with just over 400 inhabitants. Despite its small size, Corvo Island is known for its stunning natural beauty and unique landscape. The island is dominated by a large volcanic caldera, known as the Caldeirão, which is over 300 meters deep and is home to a small crater lake. The walls of the caldera are covered in lush green vegetation and provide a picturesque backdrop to the island's small villages. One of the most popular attractions on Corvo Island is the Caldeirão viewpoint, which offers visitors panoramic views of the island's crater and surrounding landscape. The viewpoint is accessed via a scenic walking trail that winds its way through the island's verdant landscape. Corvo Island is also home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, including several endemic species that can only be found on the island. Birdwatchers in particular will be in heaven here, as the island is home to a large population of Corry shearwaters, as well as several other seabirds. In terms of activities, Corvo Island is a great place for hiking and exploring the great outdoors. Visitors can take a leisurely walk around the crater lake, or embark on a more challenging hike to the summit of the island's highest point, the Morro das Homens. Overall, Corvo Island is a hidden gem in the Azores and a must-visit destination for anyone who loves nature, hiking, and exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations.